Hi friends, this week we're talking about weather. So I thought we could do a fun math counting activity using clouds and rain. So let's get started and have some fun. Materials needed for this activity are markers, paper, and scissors. On my blue paper, I drew some raindrops. And I told you, friends, if you did not have blue paper, you could draw it on white paper or whatever paper you have and color it in. So in the next slide, you'll see one that I drew and I colored in. Let's get started. Next, I drew some clouds. So let's cut out our raindrops and our clouds. Always remember, when you cut, you put your big finger in your thumb in the little hole and your two fingers in the big hole. And you always cut and your thumb is up on top. And you hold the paper in your hand and you turn. So the next thing I'm going to do after I cut out my clouds and my raindrops is I'm going to write numbers. So since you guys are getting ready to go to kindergarten, I thought I would write some bigger numbers. So we're going to start at the number 10. And it's a 1 and a 0. Then we're going to write the number 11. 1 and a 1. 11. Then we're going to write the number 12. And if you can't write these numbers, you can get your parents to help you. 12 is a 1 and a 2. Then we're going to do 13. What do you think 13 is? A 1 and a... You're right. A 1 and a 3. 14. 1 and a 4. And the last one we'll do is number 15. So after I finish cutting out my raindrops, I'm going to take my clouds and I'm going to turn them over. I'm going to take, and I'm going to pick one cloud. This is, what number did we get? This is number 12. Do you see? A 1 and a 2. So now we need to count 12 raindrops. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's make sure we have 12 raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. 12 raindrops. Let's pick another number from our cloud. This is number 13. A 1 and a 3. And if you don't know those numbers, then you can use like numbers 1 through 5. You can use any numbers. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, let's count to make sure we have 13 raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Awesome job. And friends, this is just one thing to help you when you learn how to count. You always start at the left-hand side and you count this way, you count to the end, and you go back to the beginning at the left. And you count down, and then you jump back all the way to the left, and you count down that way. So let me see you practicing counting with your rain clouds. Have a great day.